mathematics is a language, because, and I'll give you a perfect example, and I'll use a blue collar example. For the last few years before this last year, I was running a dairy department. I've run dairy departments for 3 different companies, and I know, for example, when I ordered milk, for example, I was able to hit 98% of the time exact amounts where I could have enough on the shelf that it was easy. We never ran out of things because of my ordering, and I would have enough to wait until the next delivery got. Now, anyone else in all the companies I worked with couldn't do this. Now, it wasn't because I was looking at the numbers, although if I looked at numbers, I could see patterns. Literally, if I looked at a shelf and I knew what I had, and I knew what needed to be, we needed to have till the next truck, I had a sort of a quantity, but it wasn't a numeric quantity. It was literally, I could see the amount of milk. And then in order to put it into the system, I couldn't say, well, I make up a word, moo amount of milk, or chaka amount of milk, or this amount. I would then have to say, okay, this is how much we need for this kind of milk. And I would say, boom, boom, boom. And I would go cut it down and say, okay, I need at least 70 half gallons of this milk to last us till the next one. And then I would translate it. So I've always said to myself, if you have some other kind of non-human intelligence on a planet where there aren't discrete objects, let's say you have an intelligence that evolves in some kind of creature in a gas planet where they can't necessarily say, oh, here are 5 rocks, or here are you would have some kind of an intelligence that would be beyond our, or a totally different kind of way to view the universe rather than our mathematics. When I was able to order so well, I had to transfer a thing that I could get, whatever I needed to be ordered into the mathematics we used. So there's no difference between that and translating a poem of mine into Portuguese.